Hi everyone, my name is Angelica Jecklyne with Ansanay and I'm information system student with the student ID 2024-32-104. So today I will explain my network security practicum about firewall and access control lists using Cisco Packet Tracker. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so before this practicum, I already created the network topology in the Cisco Packet Tracker. So in this topology, I use one router, two switches, and three PCs, and also one server. So after that, I connected the all device using copper straight through cable until the connection is turned green. Okay, so let's check the IP address. Next, I configure the IP address and the default gateway for the alt device. For the PC0, I use IP address 192.1.6.8.1.2, and for the PC1, I use IP address 192.168.1.3, and for the PC2 I use IP address 192.168.2.3, and for the server I use IP address 192.1.2.2. Then I figure the default gateway based on the each network. Okay, so for the router configuration, after I figure the IP address, I figure the router using CLI or command line interface. First, I enter the enable mode and configure the configuration terminal mode, and then I figure the fast Ethernet 0/0 for the network 1, and after that I figure fast Ethernet 1/0 for the network 2. This is network 2, and I also use the no shutdown command to activate the interface. And now let's check the ping test from the PC0. I tested the connection using ping command from the PC0. First I ping the PC1, then I ping PC2, and after that I ping the server, and the result show reply from, which means all devices were connected successfully. Okay, so for the SCL configuration, after the connection test was successfully, I figure access control list or ACL on the router. So I use ACL command to block PC0 from the accessing another network. So and then I add the permit any command um, yeah, I add the permit any command so the other device could still access the network. And after creating the SEL, I apply the SEL to the router interface using IP access group command. Okay, so let's check the connection again from the PC0. Yeah. Okay, so I test the connection again from the PC0 when I ping the PC2 and the results show destination host unreachable. This means SEL working successfully because the PC0 was blocked from the existing to the destination network. Okay, so for the conclusion is I learned how to create network topology and how to figure IP address, how to figure the router, and how to test the connection, um, and how to implement SEL to improve network security. So that's all from my explanation. So thank you so much for your attention.